Hello everybody, this is Kent Ribley. I'm here at the building site of my fabulous new workshop here in Mossy Rock, Washington. I am so excited. This is the workshop of my dreams and I can't wait to share it with those of you who are going to be willing to come out here and take classes from me. Let's go inside and I'm going to show you how it's coming along. Welcome. Woo, it's kind of echoey. All right, so this is going to be the work area over here. There's a whole bank of windows, 32 feet long. The windows are 7.5 feet high, facing to the north with views of Mount Rainier, which is hidden in clouds right now, and some of our orchards and trees and everything. All along this bank of windows, all along this bank of windows are going to be workbenches. So the light from the north light will be coming in on the workspaces, so you will probably not even need any other light to do the work. There'll be 6 workstations here for students. My workstation over there, casting area and melting and ingots over here, and then right where I'm standing, there's going to be a smithing area with all my stakes and hammers. Over here, workbench, another workbench, wood stove over here. And upstairs is Lynn's office. You can see the sliding door that opens to nowhere. That's going to be her light from our 2 beautiful skylights up there. And over in this room, we're going to have all the lapidary equipment in here, a sink, steamer, that kind of stuff, wax area. We also, if you look here, we have a radiant heated floor. So in the wintertime, our Tootsies will stay nice and warm. So that's kind of where it's at now. Next time we'll show you the upstairs where Lynn's office is going to be. We'll have a small showroom there as well. Anyway, it's going to be so beautiful I can hardly stand it, and I can't wait to share it with you. Have a good one. Bye.